Good morning, and welcome to the weekly market review from the FX Terminal. It was a busy week of inflation data across major economies. New Zealand's CPI rose 1%, slightly above expectations. In Canada, inflation cooled more than forecast, with the headline CPI up just 0.1%, while median and trim CPI stood at 3.2 and 3.1%, reinforcing speculation of a Bank of Canada pause. In the UK, inflation eased to 3.8%, below the 4% forecast, giving sterling a brief lift before retreating. Eurozone PMIs were mixed, with German services improving and manufacturing still under 50, while US inflation printed 0.3% month-on-month and 3% year-on-year, both slightly below estimates. The softer US inflation data weakened the dollar and pushed up risk appetite. Gold briefly rose before stabilizing, while Forex markets traded within ranges, reflecting cautious sentiment as central bank policy divergence remains in focus. In crypto, Bitcoin consolidated between $106,000 and $113,000, while Ethereum held between $3,700 and $4,000, with traders awaiting stronger catalysts before the next major move. Looking to next week, focus shifts to key policy events: Australia's CPI on October 29, the Federal Reserve's rate decision the same day, followed by the Bank of Japan and the European Central Bank on October 30. Markets are increasingly pricing in the second Fed rate cut of the year, making these events critical for near-term direction across global currencies. This was your weekly market recap from the FX Terminal. See you next week.